SEC-MALS is a quantitative method for determining the molecular weight, size, and conformation of macromolecules in solution. It can identify oligomers and complexes, and characterize difficult samples like glycoproteins and membrane proteins.
SEC-MALS is an absolute method. It relies on fundamental physics and does not depend on calibration against molecular standards, the molecule's conformation, or how it interacts with the separation medium.
SEC-MALS can be applied to many systems that are separated by SEC, from peptides and small polymers to proteins, nucleic acids, polysaccharides, synthetic polymers, virus-like particles, and small viruses.
It is important to verify that your system and buffers meets the vendor's recommendations for low particulate content. Consult with the vendor's technical support representative to be sure.
Begin this procedure with preparation of the SEC-MALS system as described in the text protocol. Using HPLC-grade reagents, prepare 1 liter of phosphate-buffered saline with 50 to 100 millimolar sodium chloride. Filter the buffer to 0.1 micron using a bottle-top polyether sulfone filter or similar. Filter the first 50 to 100 milliliters of buffer to a waste bottle in order to eliminate particulates from the dry filters. Then, filter the remainder to a clean sterile bottle that has been previously washed with filtered deionized water and capped to prevent dust from entering. Flush the column overnight at a flow rate of 0.5 milliliters per minute to equilibrate the column in the buffer and remove particulates. Use the FPLC's continuous flow mode and ensure that the flow does not stop until all SEC-MALS runs are complete. Place the DRI